Hi everyone, it's a bit of a sad day today as I've really come to the realisation you cannot have an honesty box without little light-fingered people. So unfortunately I am going to have to put CCTV on my honesty box, which is such an upset, just due to the fact that you just can't trust people. So far, because I've gone 2 years without an incident, and since obviously the incident with the gentleman over the road, lots of things have been happening to my honesty box. He almost destroyed it. My stock's going missing. Obviously we know that my money box went missing. So the only option I have now is CCTV, and I'm sorry for everyone that's been using it. I'm not watching you, I'm watching the people that don't respect something nice being done in the area. So sorry guys about that, but have a beautiful day and I'll see you soon.